Good morning, student. In the course of switchgear and protection, Unit 2, we will see the subtopic gas insulated switchgear, taught by Sachin Radekar, HOD Electrical Engineering, NIT Polytechnic, Nagpur. The summary of the previous video lecture on ERCB, we learn what is earth leakage circuit breaker, various types of earth leakage circuit breaker, that is voltage operated and current operated, advantages of earth leakage circuit breaker, disadvantages of earth leakage circuit breaker, and its application is generally used in home application, industrial application, and the commercial application. Learning outcome. The learning outcome of this video lecture is understand the operation of gas insulated switchgear devices of power system. Reflection spot. Why gas insulated switchgear devices used in power system? We will see the answer of this question in this video lecture. The diagram of gas insulated switchgear is shown here. This is the ABB company image where we have seen the switchgear element which is insulated with the help of the gas. So this is the construction diagram of the gas insulated switchgear. We have already seen this diagram in SF6 circuit breaker. The construction of the gas insulated switchgear is like the SF6 circuit breaker. Here the arc quenching and the cooling medium is done with the help of this sulfur hexafluoride gas. Means this moving contact and fixed contact are insulated with the help of this SF6 gas. Similarly, in the gas insulated switchgear, the SF6 gas is generally utilized. This is the gas outlet, SF6 gas inlet, and after cooling this gas will go through this outlet to the SF6 reservoir again, where this gas is recycled and reutilized. So this diagram shows the part of gas insulated switchgear. So every switchgear is insulated with the help of the gas. So this gas insulated switchgear, where it is installed, where the environmental challenging areas. Environmental challenging area means first very low or high temperatures, seismic active areas, flood areas, wetland, challenging soil conditions, special air conditions, areas with increased concern about visibility and security concern, aesthetic concern, project with limited labor resources, remote areas, mining, oil and gas electrical supply, AIS extension and replacement project because of age और reliability. तो जो एरिया में एनवायरमेंटल चैलेंजिंग एरियाज होते हैं वहाँ पे गैस इंसुलेटर स्विचगेयर जनरली इंस्टॉल करते हैं, जैसे कि वेरी लो टेम्परेचर और हाई टेम्परेचर. जो एरिया में बहुत कम टेम्परेचर होता है इन -डिग्री सेल्सियस और वेरी हाई टेम्परेचर, जनरली जो स्टील इंडस्ट्रीज होती है या माइनिंग इंडस्ट्रीज, वहाँ पे आप गैस इंसुलेटर स्विचगेयर इंस्टॉल कर सकते हो. सेस्मिक एक्टिव एरिया में जहाँ पे अर्थक्वेक बहुत बार आता है वहाँ पे भी आप ये गैस इंसुलेटेड स्विचगेयर इंस्टॉल कर सकते हो. फ्लड एरिया में, प्रोजेक्ट विथ लिमिटेड लेबर, यानी जहाँ पे लेबर प्रॉब्लम है और प्रोजेक्ट आपको बहुत जल्दी कंप्लीट करना है, तो वहाँ गैस इंसुलेटेड स्विचगेयर आप इंस्टॉल कर सकते हो. और जो पुराने स्विचगेयर एलिमेंट्स हैं, मीन जैसी एयर ब्रेक स्विचगेयर एलिमेंट्स है, तो बिकॉज ऑफ एज वी कैन रिप्लेस दिस विद द गैस इंसुलेटेड स्विचगेयर. So the gas insulator switchgear integration of renewable energy into the grid. Every switchgear element is either integrated with the renewable energy or the non-renewable energy which is connected to the grid. So this gas insulator switchgear access to the electricity and water for all, including in remote location, at an economical viable cost for an increasing global population, reduce cost of energy, increase renewable contribution, hedge against fuel price volatility, reduce dependence on imported fuel, climate change and protection, CO2 reduction goal, sustainable power generation and energy efficiency, gas insulated switchgear offshore and onshore with wind power connections. बाकी जो स्विच गियर एलिमेंट्स होते हैं एज कम्पेयर टू एयर ब्रेक और ऑयल स्विच गियर एलिमेंट, दिस गैस इंसुलेटेड स्विच गियर एलिमेंट is viable to connect to the grid because of its economical cost, as well as it will reduce the cost of energy. Similarly it will reduce ये जो है CO2 जो reduction है which is the main cause of environmental pollution, it will reduce the CO2 reduction. Similarly it is energy efficient. So generally nowadays this gas insulated switchgear is used for interconnection with the grid. Application of this gas insulated switchgear: first application is wind park, oil platform features, long maintenance intervals, reliable gas insulated equipment, most compact switchgear benefits, no outage at offshore substation and cost saving by reduced space. तो इसका एप्लीकेशन क्या है? ये विंड पार्क में यूज़ कर सकते हैं। ऑयल इंडस्ट्रीज जो है वहाँ पे इसको जनरली यूज़ किया जाता है क्योंकि ऑयल काफ़ी इन्फ्लेमेबल होता है, तो दैट आर्क में कॉज फायर हजार्ड, सो ऑयल इंडस्ट्री में इसको जनरली यूज़ करते हैं। लॉन्ग मेंटेनेंस इंटरवल, इसका जो मेंटेनेंस है वो काफ़ी कम होता है एज़ कम्पेयर टू अदर स्विच गियर। रिलायबल गैस इंसुलेटेड इक्विपमेंट, और ये मोस्ट कॉम्पैक्ट होते हैं, एंड नो आउटेज एट ऑफशोर सबस्टेशन, यानी आउटेज लेने की इसमें बहुत कम आवश्यकता पड़ती है। सिमिलरली कॉस्ट सेविंग बाय द रिड्यूस स्पेस। इंडस्ट्रियल एप्लीकेशन गैस इंसुलेटर स्विच गियर के, तो फर्स्ट जो एप्लीकेशन है दैट इज द टरबाइन, देन सीमेंट इंडस्ट्रीज, पावर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, माइनिंग फीचर्स, project management and engineering for complete electrical system integration, AC motors and complete AC drive system, variable speed drivers for high pressure grinding roll applications, site management, installation, supervision and commissioning services and the training. तो इंडस्ट्रियल एप्लीकेशन जो मेनली है उसके है टर्बाइन, सीमेंट एंड द पावर इंडस्ट्रीज एज वेल एज द माइनिंग, because in mining industries it is deep inside the earth 1000 feet near about, so there is a chances of fire hazards, so gas insulated switchgear is best suited for these applications. So summary of the today's video lecture of gas insulated switchgear: we have studied gas insulated switchgear, its construction and normal application, and the industrial application of the gas insulated switchgear. So PO mapping, we have mapped the basic knowledge of gas insulated substation. So PO1 is mapped, PO2 is mapped for the discipline knowledge of electrical engineering, various types of GIS substation, so PO2 is mapped. PO3 experimentation and practices, this gas insulated switchgear is generally used in the substation, so this PO3 is mapped. PO8 This gas insulator switchgear can be operated individually or teamwork. So PO8 is map. PO9 means here the various relays gives the communication to the gas insulated switchgear if any fault is occur. So this communication PA is map. Lifelong learning, we have studied the gas insulated substation applications. So it is a lifelong learning. So PO10 is map. Thank you student for watching this video of gas insulated substation. Thank you very much.